People's Republic of China, a country in the East Asia, the world's most populated country, a country जिसमें over the years एक बहुत ही spectacular growth and progress की है, चाहे वो technological front पे हो या फिर industrial front पे. From being a developing country to a developed one, और वो भी in such a short span of time. And इन सब चीज़ों का credit surely goes to the hardworking and determined capabilities as well as the intelligence of the natives. जहाँ China has contributed a lot to the industrial and economic prospects of the world, but ये चीज़ बिल्कुल भी भूली या नज़रअंदाज नहीं की जा सकती है. They greedy ambitions to become the world superpower, and China किसी भी हद तक जाने के लिए तैयार है to achieve this goal. So did you know that the Chinese actually follow an expansionist policy और actually उनकी expansionist greed के चलते हर बार एक गेम प्लान भी तैयार किया जाता है. चाहे वो तिब्बत हो, जब 1950s में the Chinese massacred innocent Tibetan protesters and तिब्बत को इतनी decades से occupy किया हुआ है. Tibet actually became the first victim of Chinese greed for world dominance. या फिर इंडिया in 1962 when China started a war with India and defeated the ill-equipped Indian army and occupied large Indian territory which it continues to occupy till now. या जापान जहाँ चाइना ने क्लेम किया है on the Senakaku Island, and और भी countries हैं like Philippines, Vietnam जो अभी भी victim है of China's greeds as China is laying claim on the South China Sea, questioning the legitimate claims of countries like the Philippines, Vietnam and others. But now this expansionist greed of China has gone to a new level. This time, and इसी एक major cruel and unforgiving act done by the Chinese को आज हम अपने segment में discuss करेंगे. नमस्कार, मैं हूँ रेशम और आप देख रहे हैं DNP India. सबसे पहले तो have you subscribed to our channel? If not, then please don't wait and do it now. And do not forget to share this video. So last year in an interview with the UK channel, former Chinese virologist from Hong Kong, Dr. Li Meng Yan claimed that the SARS-CoV-2 virus was developed in a government laboratory in Wuhan and also said that she has evidence to back the claim. And the evidence? Please have a look at the screenshots displayed on screen. शेयर बाय डॉक्टर यान, इन स्क्रीनशॉट से क्लियरली पता चलता है कि ये वायरस वुहान के कोई वेट मार्केट से नहीं बल्कि एक मिलिट्री लैब से आया है. जी हाँ. So before speaking further, I would like you to have a look at what Dr. Yan had to say about all this.
And also I use the point-to-point refute to response to them in my third report. None of them can stand out and face-to-face with me, have the live show on the influential media to tell people their evidence. And the people can judge my evidence compared to their evidence. Let's say whether this virus is come from lab, whether this is a bioweapon, and most importantly, whether this virus is intentionally released to attack people. There are many evidence show that it's not only respiratory system disease, but it's a disease involve your blood vessels, involve your multi-organs, involve your immune systems. And this one is enhanced by the animal seropathology experiments to make it become more virulent to human and also more adapted to human. So based on the nature of coronavirus, it can mute very quickly when there is proper, the host. And now human is a very good, the best host already proved by the scientists now. So among the big population and the high density area in India, there, if the condition is not good enough to stop this virus, definitely it can spread very quickly and also mutate. And on the other hand, this virus is get modified to become resistant to the environment, like the temperature and also other things, and it can be delivered through either the aerosol or direct contact. So I'm not surprised that other waves happened in India. But what I want to emphasize is, I think your government and your intelligence department should focus on that. This is a bioweapon, so whether the bioweapon will be purposely released to India at this time is something your government should really focus on.
तो सुना आपने कैसे there is actually no proof of human transmission of COVID in Wuhan, and actually Chinese military scientists investigated weaponizing coronaviruses 5 years before the COVID-19 pandemic and may have predicted a World War III fought with biological weapons. Coronavirus was actually their next gen weapon. Yes. And if reports are to be believed, then the SARS virus, which came in the year 2003, वो भी man-made ही था. Yes, Dr. Li Mengyan also added that the virus was purposely enhanced up to add a multifunction to make more harm to humans. And Dr. Yan ने हर जगह, चाहे वो न्यूज़ चैनल हो या थ्रू यूट्यूब चैनल्स या कुछ और मीडियम से, she has been trying her level best to prove कि ये virus has come from the PLA lab and that they have discovered coronavirus after a lot of investment. They finally got a human target virus and it was intentionally released. Please keep a note on that. And ये सब plans क्यों create हुए? Because वो दुनिया के medical systems को target करना चाहते थे and also the society on the whole. एंड इन सब से द इकोनॉमिकली बहुत सी कंट्रीज़ इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया को बहुत बड़ा सेटबैक तो लगा ही है और बाकी कंट्रीज़ हैव ऑल्सो फेस द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. एंड बाय ऑल दिस एट एन इकोनॉमिक लेवल एज वेल द चाइनीज़ आर डूइंग रियली वेल. And referring to the documents obtained by the US State Department, the shocking part is कि ये reports 5 से 6 साल पहले ही चाइना में रिलीज़ हो गई थी about the specification of this virus, the coronavirus. जहाँ on the other hand, Chinese media says कि ये report has no facts, but Dr. Yan ने अपने claims को prove करने के लिए enough solid scientific evidence दे दी है, together with intelligent evidence, and that is more clear than ever. जहाँ Chinese scientists and PLA commanders had talked about the genetic engineering of viruses in 2015, and not to deny that reports can directly be linked to spread of the coronavirus in 2020 and 2021. और इन सब से अब क्या हुआ? The scale and the coordinated nature of this scientific fraud signifies the degree of corruption in the fields of academic research and public health. And as a result of such big corruption, damages have been made to both the reputation of the scientific community and to the well-being of the global community as well. And that is clearly visible. Jahan China plotted to weaponize COVID-19 back in 2015 can very evidently be seen at present and now. Dr. Yan had also revealed that she had to flee to the US for the safety after being threatened by the Chinese officials when she wanted to alert the world about the pandemic. This whistleblower and doctor has certainly revealed a lot. And just to be a superpower going to such extreme, is it really justified? Have the Chinese become a pain in the neck for the whole world? What's your take on this big revelation? So if you like today's segment, please do like, share and subscribe to DNP India. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Keep watching DNP India and do not forget to share this video and let the world know the truth.